Hi, my name is Palak. I'm running my own business and it's a startup. And for this, I had enrolled with Brand Veda for my digital marketing expertise. And this was my first workshop with them, which was creating and developing my first funnel. And we started with, first of all, with a lead magnet funnel. And the way Saurabh Pandey, he used an expert in digital marketing with an experience of 18 years. The way he is explaining step by step, I think for a beginner to an experienced person, it is really fruitful, and I am really blessed to be part of this workshop. And by completing it, I am pretty sure that this will really help my business to scale in automation process. Thank you.
In this workshop, I learned very strategically and how to grow the business through help of the funnels, and got all the strategical and numerical data that I can explain to the client also, and it will great beneficial for me in the future.
હેલો, મારું નામ ધારા પટેલ છે. મેં જસ્ટ લોન્ચર ફર્સ્ટ ફનલ વર્કશોપ અટેન્ડ કર્યો છે અને એ અમેઝિંગ છે. તમે તમારા બિઝનેસને કઈ રીતે ઓટોમેટ કરી શકો એની સ્ટ્રેટેજી તમને આ વર્કશોપમાં મળે છે અને બહુ જ વેલ્યુએબલ છે.
So they are offering a 2 days workshop which is free, and it's a AI click funnel, and I thought I have to attend this webinar course. And when I attend this course, Saurabh sir welcome to all students and they are introduce themselves and about Brand Veda.
We are facing many challenges in our business. Earlier, how to nurture our clients, how to do a product, sell a product online. Today we have attended a funnel program of Mr. Saurabh, Brand Veda. We have learned how to nurture our client, how to sell a product online. I am very happy that we can grow our business through funnel. Thank you so much.